Good morning, children. Welcome to online class, English online class. Okay. Last class, I've explained you what is active and passive voice, right? Today, I said in the last class that I will be giving the exercise part in the next class, guys. Right? Today, we are going to complete the exercise, which is there in the grammar. Okay. And modular verb, you can ask me why, ma'am, you didn't taught us modular verb. I'll be teaching you later, okay? Which is there for the exam. I'll be completing first. After that, I will be completing remaining exercises. Okay? Understood, children? No doubts now. You have to complete then and there itself. When I be giving the exercise parts now, you have to complete then and there itself. Don't keep incomplete. Okay, later it will be a big burden for you only to complete it. Okay, complete then and there itself. I know all the teachers will be giving the notes at a time. I know, but you have to complete. When you're coming in the offline classes, you will be writing in the class. No, you were completing in the class itself. In the same manner, we are in. You'll be at home. No, now it's in the offline online classes. So you have to complete the notes then and there itself. Understood? Complete this exercise and I'll be telling you when you have to submit this grammar textbook and the classwork. Okay. At that time you have to bring both the books. Okay, fine, children. Now we'll start the exercise. First main. Identify the door or subject one who does the action and the receiver or object one who receives of an action. Okay, what do you mean by door? A person who does something. A person who does something. Okay, we have first one in the page number 87. Page number 87. Okay. First main, we have lost the keys. We is the, who is we? We is the, see they have highlighted with the dark thing. Okay. We is the door. First one answer is door. Second one, the man was arrested by the police. The man is the receiver. The man was arrested by the police. It is receiving. Means man is arrested by the police. Man is the receiver. The man will be the receiver. The parrot was put in a cage. The parrot was put in a cage. The parrot is receiver. Fourth one, Alex drew the picture. Alex is the door. Fifth one, the teacher is teaching grammar to the class. The teacher is teaching grammar to the class. The class is the receiver. The class is the receiver. Sixth one, the farmer showed the seeds. The farmer showed the seeds. The farmer showed the seeds. The farmer is the door. Seventh one, the plane was flown by the pilot. The plane is the receiver. Okay. Put the tick mark where the answer is properly. Identify and put the tick mark. Okay, they have given two answers, door and receiver. Okay. Eighth one. In this eighth one, Shakespeare wrote this play. Shakespeare is the door. Then the ninth one, Karan designed this house. This house is the receiver. In this, the answer is receiver. Okay, 10th one, the building was destroyed by the fire. The building is receiver. The building is receiver. What is the building? You have to you have to identify which you have to put the tick mark. For which answer you have to put the tick mark. See, they have highlighted the words. Shakespeare wrote this play. Shakespeare wrote this play. Who wrote this play? Shakespeare. Shakespeare is the door. And the building was destroyed by the fire. The building, the sentence is only the building was destroyed by fire. Which was destroyed by the fire? The building, right? The building was destroyed by the fire. Receiver. Okay. Second main, active or passive voice. Take the right answer. They have given the page number 88. Second main in page number 88. Active or passive voice. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. In this first one, they are listening to music. They are listening to music. Which is the answer for this? Active voice. Active voice. They are listening to the music. Second one. He lost his keys yesterday. Second one. He lost his keys yesterday. Second one answer is active voice. Third one, English is spoken by people in many countries. English is spoken by people in many countries. That is passive voice. Passive voice. Fourth one, fourth one. The patent is being taken to the patient is being taken to the operation theatre. The patient is being taken to the operation theatre. It's a passive voice. Fifth one, people elect their leaders in a democracy. People elect their leaders in a democracy. That is active voice. Sixth one, the car has been repaired by the mechanic. The car has been repaired by the mechanic. That is passive voice. Seventh one, someone broke the window pane. What is someone broke the window pane? What do you mean by this? Which is the answer in this? That is active voice. Eighth one, the government has built houses for the poor. The government has built houses for poor. Which is the answer for this? Active voice. Ninth one, the mobile phones are made in China. The mobile phones are made in China. That is passive voice. Tenth one, the report will be submitted in 2 days. The report will be submitted in 2 days. That is passive voice. That is passive voice. I'm going to erase this side, children. Copy it fast. If you didn't copy along with me, pause the video and copy, okay? I'll be erasing this side. Next, third main. Take the right form. Third main. Pick the right form in the page number 989. In the page number 89. The man stole the car. First one, the man stole the car. Which is the answer for this? First one for this, the car was stolen by the man. By the man is the answer for this. Second one, the old lady was beaten by the stray dog. The old lady was bitten by the stray dog. Which is the answer for this? The stray dog bite the old lady. Third one, mother waters the plants. Mother waters the plants. The plants are watered by mother. The plants are watered by mother. By mother. Fourth one, the baby will be taken care of by grandma. The baby will be taken care of by grandma. What is the answer for this? Grandma. Grandma will take care of the baby. Of the baby. I'll be erasing this side. Neatly write out. Don't scribble. Write with the pencil. Don't write with the pen. Okay. Then fifth one. Third means fifth one. Everybody loves Vinu. Everybody loves Vinu. Vinu is loved by everybody. Everybody. Sixth one. The lion ate the deer. The answer is the deer was eaten by the lion. By the lion. Seventh one, luggage must be lifted in the clock room. What do you mean by this? You must answer. You must leave the luggage. You must leave the luggage in the clock room. Okay, here this side I am going to erase. Pause the video and complete it. Don't keep incomplete. Okay. If you didn't understand, please ask me, children. When you're coming to give the class work for correction, no, you can ask me the doubts. Okay. Eighth one. Columbus. Answer. Columbus discovered the sea route to America. Who discovered? Columbus, right? Columbus. The answer is America was discovered Discovered by Columbus. Ninth one, this company makes cars. This company makes cars. Cars are made, answer. Cars are made by this company. Made by this company. Tenth one, the results have been announced. The results have been announced. What is the answer? They have announced the results. They have announced the results. We have completed the third main, children. Next, fourth main. I'm going to erase this side. Right, fast. You all are grown-up students. You are studying in 6th standard, no? You have to learn to write fast. It doesn't mean that you should scribble. Write neatly, okay? Complete the sentences in passive voice with the clues given. They have given the clues. By seeing that, you have to complete, okay? The fourth main, page number 90. In page number 90, fourth main, first one they have already given. Second one, animals dash are killed. They have given in the bracket are killed. What you have to write? Second one, are killed. Animals are killed. Third one, we dash to party, have invite. They have given have invite in the bracket. We have to write have been invited. Have been invited. Fourth one, the words dashed by teacher will explain. The words dashed by the teacher will explain, will be explained. Will be explained. Fifth one, last one, the house dashed by my grandfather was built. They have given in the bracket was built. Same answer, was built. Answer, fifth one answer is was built. Sixth one, the books dashed by famous author. The books dashed by a famous author. They have given in the bracket have right. Have been, answer, have been returned. Have been returned. Okay, this side I'm going to erase, children. Seventh one, the computer dashed by a technician will repair. Will repair. What is the answer for this? Will be repaired. Will be repaired. Eighth one, this bag dashed in the bus yesterday was found. This bag was found. Answer, was found. Was found. Ninth one, the houses dashed by the storm were damaged. Were damaged. What is the answer for ninth one? Were damaged. Were damaged. Tenth one, many trees dash in the bracket are cut down. Are cut down. Answer is are Cut down. Okay. We have completed till the 4th May. Next May, change the passages to passive voice. Change the passages into change the passage to passive voice. We have to change the passage to passive voice. The passage below is in simple present tense. They are given in a simple present tense. We have to change to passive voice. Every year we celebrated Sports Day in our school. We organize many games and sports activities on this day. All the children enjoy the events, they win prizes. Okay, the chief guest of the day gives prize to the winners. The teachers distribute sweets to the children. Sweets to the children. How to write in the passive voice? How to change that in the passive voice? We have to change in the passive voice. Okay, take down the answer for this. Okay, shall I erase that side, children? Hope you have completed. I'll erase fully. You have to write the passage, no? So I need full board. So I'll be erasing. If you didn't complete, pause the video and write the answers. Copy the answers. Okay. Page number 91, 5th May. 5th May I'm writing now. 5th May, first one. First one. Sports Day is celebrated in our school. School every year. Every year. Every year. Many games and sports many games and sports activities are organized on that day. On that day, the events are enjoyed by all the children. Prizes are won by them. Prizes are given to the winners. By the chief guest. Sweets are distributed to the children by the teachers. Finish. This is the first answer. Okay. Sports Day is celebrated in in our school every year. Many games and sports activities are organized on that day. The events are enjoyed by all the children. Prizes are won by them. Prizes are given to the winners by the chief guest. Sweets are distributed to the children by the teachers. By the teachers. Copy this. I'll give you 2 minutes, children, to copy this. Okay. Pause this video and try to complete it. Okay. Now we'll go for the second one, the last one in this exercise. Fifth main, second one. The passage below is in simple past. First was in simple present. Now it's in simple past. I taught you when I was explaining everything, right? Simple present tense, present perfect, continuous tense, everything I taught you, right? Now we are going to change this passage to the simple past. Okay. The nurse prepared the patient for the surgery. She brought the patient on a wheelchair to the operation room. Then she shifted the patient to the operating table. The other nurse kept the equipment required at the head of the bed. The doctor gave the patient anesthesia. Then he started the operation. Now we have to change this passage to the simple past. Passive voice. We have to make this as a passive voice and we have to change this into the simple past tense. Okay. Now we are going to write the second one. Second one, the patient. Answer. I'm writing the answer. Patient was prepared. Patient was prepared for the surgery. By the nurse. The patient was brought on a wheelchair. To the operating room by the nurse. Then the patient was shifted to the operating table. The equipment was kept at the head of the bed by the other nurse. The patient was given anesthesia by the doctor, then the operation was started. Okay, fine. We have completed the exercise in this chapter. Okay, in active and passive voice, we have completed all the exercise. This is the fifth main. Second one answer you have to write like this in a simple past tense. You have to change the sentence into simple past tense. Okay, fine, children. Okay, hope you will be completing this along with me. If you have not completed along with me, complete by seeing the video later, but you have to complete it. Don't keep incomplete. Okay. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next class. Hope you all will be safe and fine. Okay. Thank you, children.